Welcome to Astro5s.com. Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Moon in 7th house. About Moon. Rules is Cancer. Exaltation is Taurus. Detriment is Capricorn. Fall is Scorpio. Responsible. Mind. Material. Assets property. Mother. Represents. Domestic, nurturing urge. Anatomy. Breasts, stomach, fluid balance of the body, digestion, glandular secretions, left eye of male, right eye of female. Keyword is emotions. General. The Moon in the chart prominence is important because this is the planet closest to Earth and moves fast through the zodiac. It represents the principle of women, mother, wife and women in general. Instinct, mood, tide, phase, receptive ability, motivation, feeling, habit, reflexive action. Its actions affirm and change. Adjust personal interests, desires, needs. 7th house, you. It shows the other person. Married, partnerships, public relations, open enemies, author people. Natural sign is Libra. Natural ruler is Venus. Keyword is cooperation. 7th house is a house of side-by-side relationships and air. Quality is angular house. General. The 7th house shows both business partnerships and marriage, divorce, contracts, lawsuits, negotiations, agreements, any deal with the public and public response. It shows your open enemies, your cooperation with others or your lack of cooperation. It shows what you lack most in yourself, because it faces the first home that shows your strongest personality traits. This home shows your attitude towards marriage. Your spouse, the type and quality of marriage, and how many marriages you can have. It also shows your grandparents and anyone acting as your agent or on your behalf. Moon in 7th house. You are a celebrity in society and this position emphasizes interpersonal relationships. You are very sensitive and often responsive to the needs of the public. This position of the Moon in your chart is not favorable for legal conflicts. So, you should be wary of engaging in any legal battle, because you may find yourself on the losing side. You have a hard time deciding to marry and often have a few opportunities. Often because of your personal dependence, you can get married early. It is possible that you married when you were young, but if not, you spent a lot of time and energy searching for the right person to share your life with. This is not always successful because you need to develop maturity in your personal relationships. You can attract a sensitive and moody partner, especially if the Moon has challenging aspects in your chart. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions please tell me. If you want free horoscopes please watch below video. Thank you, see you in the next video.